Okay, what is a mobile application? A mobile application or app is a computer program or software application designed to run on a mobile device such as a phone, tablet, or watch. A mobile application most commonly refers to as an app is a type of application software designed to run on a mobile device such as smartphone or a tablet computer. Okay, mobile application frequently serve to provide users with similar services to those accessed on PC. Apps are generally small individual software units with limited function. This use of app software was originally popularized by Apple Inc. and its Store app, which offers thousands of applications for iPhone, iPad, and iPad Touch. Okay, and a mobile application also may be known as an app, web app, online app, iPhone app, or the smartphone apps. And apps are wait for something. Okay, apps are divided into three broad categories. First one is a native app, second is web app, and third one is a hybrid apps. What is a native app? Native apps are built for a specific mobile operating system, usually iOS and Android. Okay. Native app enjoys better performance and a more finely tuned user interface, and usually need to pass a much stricter development and quality assurance process before they are released. Okay, and we can say the mobile application is use the native app. In the native app, the native app is a platform independent app. Okay, and web app are used in the HTML5 and or CSS cascading style sheet and require minimum device memory since they are run through a browser. Okay, the user is redirected on a specific web page and all information is saved on a server-based database. Web page requires a stable connection to be used. Okay. Web page app is not dependent on any platform. Okay. Native app, mobile app is depend on any platform, but the web app is not depend on any platform. Run this application at any platform. For this application, this application required any browser and internet connection. Okay. I'm telling you, web app. In web app, we required the browser and the internet connection for running the web app. Okay, and the third one is a hybrid app. Hybrid app is a combination of the native app and the web applications. Okay, in hybrid app, a software application that combine the elements of both native and web application. And hybrid app are essentially web apps that have been put in native app shell. And hybrid apps are popular because they allow developer to write code once and still accommodate multiple platforms. Okay, next I'm showing you the characteristics of the mobile application. Okay, here's I'm showing you the characteristics of the mobile application. In this our mobile app development team will share certain features of successful mobile app that are essential regardless of the type of the business or the industries. Investing in the mobile app development, every business owner expects to launch an application that will meet is skyrocketing. Skyrocketing to say, we can say that rocketing purposes a success in the shortest time to make sure that all your mobile application will perform well, right? And has all the chances to be successful. You should be aware of the characteristics that make an app market ready. First one is the simplicity for the end users. First characteristic is the simplicity for the end users. Okay, convenient user interface. It should be convenient in user interface and logical navigation are the foundations for a great UX. UX means to say user expectations experience. These simple characteristics make an app rank the best among the alternative digital products. Okay. In simplicity for user, for the end user, the simple characteristics makes an app rank the best among alternative digital products. If your app is simple and easy to use, your target user will have no reason to go to look for the another similar application. Okay. Both next one is next characteristics of the mobile application is both iOS and Android must be covered. Okay. These are the two basic platforms how a mobile app development company can offer cross-platform mobile app development as a cost-saving option for clients. Okay, the most famous cross-platform app development framework include PhoneGap, okay, and the NetScape. Hello, have any problem? Okay. High performance. Remember the moment when your app is launched is that in time your software product should not make its user wait for something to be loaded. You should make sure that your app works fast, and if it does not, you should pay particular attention to it. Okay. Keep up with the continuous mobile app optimization to make all the screens and in-app process loaded immediately. Remember, it is a key for mobile app high performance. Next characteristics of the mobile application is the security. This which is important for the mobile app across the various industries. However, the financial and the healthcare areas should be particularly emphasized here. Okay, mobile app security mean to say the user data are well protected at a legal level. It is one of the critical requirements for a successful mobile app. Next one, offline work. Okay, mobile app works if it is a good internet connection. Okay, although this feature would be great but not critical for all the apps. There is a specific types of the applications such as complex corporate apps in which offline work should be compulsory provided. Okay, you must predict a situation when the internet connection is absent and create the content and feature that will work in an offline mode. It would be difficult to do, categorize specific features since they depend on the industry and app type. Next one is the regular updates. Okay, the truly excellent software products needs a continuous process of improvements and updates. It prompts the maintain it promises listing opportunities, popularities of an mobile app, maintain your server and make sure that your content is always up to date. Personalization. People love products that offer plenty of opportunities for customizations. Use it whenever it is possible. Okay. The winner apps have features as flexible fonts, background settings, colors, etc. Search options is also the characteristics of the mobile application. Pay special attention to search settings. The search particularly matter for software products with the content of high complexity. Try to make every feature and page as accessible as possible. In ethical, mobile app and ethical allow admin to get all the needed information about user behavior. It is crucial for the mobile app of all type. It opens up an opportunity to track your mobile app performance and do all the best to optimize it timely. Okay, so the last one is the social media integration. Okay, provide app feature that allow you to easily share the content or information about your app with their friends on social networks. Social media integration is important because it helps spread information about your mobile app on the web. Okay, so what is Android? Android is an open source and Linux based operating system for mobile devices such as smartphone and tablets, computer, and board, developed by the Open Handset Alliance and led by Google and other companies. Okay, here is the features of the Android. Android is a powerful open source operating system that open source provide immense features, and some of these are okay. Here is the features. Android features. First one is the open source features. Open source project, so we can customize the open operating system based on our requirements. Okay, Android supports a different types of connectivity like this: location tracking using GPS. Okay, Android supports different type of connectivity for GSM, CDMA, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. for telephone conversion or data transfer using Wi-Fi technology. We can pair with the other device while playing games or using other applications. Okay, it contains multiple API to support location tracking services such as GPS, and it contain media support AVI, MPV, MPG, MPEG4. Okay, it contains a wide range of media support like this one, and to play or record a variety of audio or videos. Okay, it also supports the different image formats like JPG, PNG, GIF, BMP, MP3. Okay, and it's for multimedia hardware control to perform playback or recording using a camera or one microphone. And it also provide the features for virtual reality for 2D and 3D graphics. Fine. These are the features of the Android applications. And here is the introduction to Android development. The Android operating system is the largest installation space among various mobile platforms across the globe. Hundreds of millions of mobile devices powered by Android in more than 190 countries of the world. It counted around 75% of the global market share by the end of 2020. And this trend is growing bigger every other day. The the company name Open Handset Alliance developed Android for the first time, that is based on the modified version of the Linux kernel and other open source software. Major devices that run on the operating system, these are, this is a smartphone, this is a smartwatch, smart TV, and tablet. These devices are used Android operating system. Okay, next I'm showing you the Android versions. Google launched the first version of the Android platform on November 5, 2007. And since then, Google released a lot of the Android versions such as Apple Pie, Banana, Bread, Cupcake, Donut, Eclair Pro, Gingerbread, Jelly Bell, Kit Kat, Lollipop, Marshmallow, Nougat, Oreo, etc. with extra functionality and new features. Okay, here is a pictorial. Here is the pictorial diagram of the Android version. First one is the Android 1.0, September 2008, Android February 2019. Second version of the Android is a Cupcake. These are donuts, eclairs, gingerbread, honeycomb, ice cream. And the next slide, I will show you the Android version in the form of the table. Here is a code name, here is a version of the Android, API level, and the release date. Apple Pie. First Android version of the Android is Apple Pie, and the version is 1.0. Okay, and release date 23 September of 2008. Banana Bread 1.1, February 9, 2019. Cupcake Android 1.5, April 30, 2009. Donut 1.6, 2009. Blur Android 2.0, 2.1, 2009. Florio 2.2 and 2.2.3. May 20, 2010. Gingerbread, okay, December 6, 2010 में Honeycomb, Android 3.2, February 2020, 2011, Ice Cream Sandwich, Android 4.004, October 18, 2011, and next Jelly Bean, Android 4.1, 4.12, July 9, 2012, KitKat, Android 4.4, 4.5, 4.4, okay, July 2012. Lollipop, Android 5, 5.1, October 17, 2014, Marshmallow, and Android 6, 6.1, October 2015, Nougat, Android 7, 7.1, August 22, 2016, Oreo, Android 8, August 21st, 2017, Pi, Android 9, August 6, August 2018, Android Q, and okay, the version is Android 10, and the release date September 3rd, September 2019, Android 11. This is the latest versions, and this version is released September 8 and 2020. Fine. There are the two languages which are used in the Android application. First one is the Java, and second one is the Kotlin. Developing the Android application using Kotlin is preferred by Google. Okay, as Kotlin is made of an official language for the Android development, which is developed and maintained by the JetBrains. Previously, before the Java is considered and officially language for the Android development, Kotlin is made official for Android development in Google. Fine. And here is advantages of the Android development. As we know, Android is an open source operating system and hence process a vast community for support. The design of the Android application has guidelines from Google, which become easier for the developer to produce more intuitive user applications. Fragmentation gives more power to Android application. This means the application can run two activities on a single screen. Releasing the Android application in a Google Play Store is easier when it is compared to other platforms. And here is also some disadvantages of the Android development. Fragmentations provide a very initiative approach for user experience, but it has some drawbacks where the development team needs time to adjust with the various screen size of the mobile smartphone that are now available in the market and of the particular features in the application. Okay, the Android device might vary broadly, so the testing of the application become more difficult. As the development and testing consume more time, the cost of the application may increase depending on the application's complexity and features. Fine. Okay. Next, I am showing you what is the future for the Android developer, Android feature scope. Okay, the fact that we all know that the Android shares more than 80% of the world's mobile market. Okay, 3.5 billion users of use Android, and plus more than 3 million apps are available on the Google Play Store. So Android dominating all other operating system in the market globally. So there is no doubt that the Android application will always be in demand. Companies like Flipkart, Amazon, Paytm, Airtel, and many more are investing highly into third-party apps. These rather than in native or the third party will provided by the wire. Okay. Android contain an open source Linux kernel and collection of number of C++ libraries which are exposed to an application framework or services. Among all the component, Linux kernel provides many functionality of operating system functions to provide to smartphones, and Dalvik virtual machine provide platform for running an Android application. The main component of the Android architecture are following. First one is the application. Second component of the Android architecture is the application framework. Third one is the Android runtime. Fourth one is the platform libraries, and next is the Linux kernel. Fine. Here is the diagram of, here is the architecture of the Android. Pictorial representation of the Android architecture with this several main components and their sub components. Fine. and I am explaining one by one. First one is the application. In applications, the application is the top layer of the Android architecture. The pre-installed application like home, content, camera, gallery, etc. Third-party application downloaded from the Play Store like chat application, game, etc. will be installed on their layer only. Okay. It runs within the Android runtime with the help of classes and services provided by the application framework. Okay. Second layer is the application framework. In application framework, provide the several important classes which are used to create Android applications. It provides a generic abstractions for hardware access and also help in managing the user interface with the application sources. Okay. Generally, it provides the services with the help of which we can create a particular class and make that class helpful for a Android application creations. It includes a different type of services. What services? Activity managers, notification managers, package managers, window manager, content providers, view system. Fine. Third layer of the Android architecture is the Android runtime. Fine. In Android runtime, environment is one of the most important part of Android to contain the components like the core libraries and the Dalvik virtual machine. Dalvik virtual machine is like a Java virtual machine, JVM, okay, and DVM based on the virtual machine and specifically designed and optimized for Android to ensure that a device can run multiple instances efficiently. It depends on their Linux kernel for threading and low-level memory management. Okay. Next, there is the platform libraries. In platform libraries, including the features of media, OpenGL, graphics, SSL, Cycloid, and FreeType. Okay. The platform libraries include various C, C++ core libraries and Java-based libraries such as media, graphics, surface managers, OpenGL, etc. supervises code for Android development. Okay, in platform libraries, media is available. Media library will provide to support, play, and record the audio video formats. Surface manager is responsible for managing the access to display the subsystem. Okay, SQLites provide the database, and SGL and OpenGL. Here is SGL and OpenGL is used for the 2D 3D graphics. Okay. Network stack. Driver models. Fine. Next layer of the Android architecture is a Linux kernel. Here is a Linux kernel. Linux kernel is the heart of the Android architecture. It manages all the available drivers such as display drivers. Here is the Wi-Fi drivers, display drivers, audio drivers, USB drivers, camera drivers, Bluetooth drivers are available in the Linux kernel. The features security. The Linux kernel handles the security between the application and the system. Memory management. It efficiently handles the memory management, thereby providing the freedom to develop our apps. Process management. It manages the process well, accurate resources to process whenever they need them. Network stack. It efficiently handles the network communications. Driver model. It ensures that the application works properly on the device, and a hardware manufacturer responsible for building their drivers into the Linux build.